County has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Minnesota at 10:42 p.m. on APR 5th, 2023, effective until 11:42 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. No action is needed. This is only a test.
I think that was a first. Never heard the Cal voice on one of these tests in Minnesota before.
Is really at a crisis point, and now is the time.
Wonder what happened to Kestrel David.
Social workers, psychologists, and nurses.